Here is the first video of the day. I want to explain to you a difference to put when you have one, we are speaking about words, when you have singular or severals, and if we are speaking about a woman or a man. So in French, for men, words men, we call masculin. Masculin mean we are speaking about a man. Féminin mean we are speaking about a woman. Singulier mean just one. Okay, I will explain. And pluriel mean we are talking about severals. We can see in English, for instance, for masculin and féminin, when you have just one for singulier, that is single, you can see that there is no difference in the article. We use her car. And for féminin, we use her car. In English, you don't have the distinction. You will say a car, a cat, a dog. We don't know if we don't care if we are speaking about masculine or féminin, if it's a man or a woman. You just see that in pluriel, when you have severals, you will use the cats, the cars, the dogs, and you will add s at the end to mention there is severals. For most of the words, it is the same rule in French for pluriel, but there is a difference when we are speaking about singular. Or you will distinguish in French that you need to use masculine or féminin. There is no rule. When you will start to speak, you will see that it will come naturally. So here, for instance, you can see that the that we are using in English, you can use different in French, different article for just one single. You have un, that means just one, un chat. But you can say also le chat or le chien. And we have article also du jambon. It means we don't know. Du jambon, it's not man, it's not woman, so not pay just attention. Just to know, when you will read a book or something like this, when you will see un, you know that it's masculin. And when you will say une voiture mean car, okay, so in French, voilà, we not say un voiture, but une voiture. Or la moto. It's not le moto, but la moto. Just to know that we have article different for in French, and it is a difference. Now, for pluriel, you can see that it's the same. We can use des voitures, and we put s to mention there is several, or les motos, and we put s. Just in French, that is a difference for the words that you can write that end with o, a, u, e, a, u, or u, o and u. For this one, you not put s at the end, but you will put x. For instance, un bateau means a boat. In English, we will write des bateaux, and you will not put a s, but a x. Un caillou, so here normally you should pronounce e, caillou, but when you have double L in French and I just in front, we don't pronounce the look like a E. You pronounce K-U, stone. And we say des cailloux with X. Same for un bandeau mean a bandana. You see, A and you will put des bandeaux. Just like this, when you will read a book or you read something, you can see why we are using des or why sometimes you will see S or X. It's just to explain.